Good day, everybody. It's Vikas Engelbrecht here, and what an awesome opportunity to be with you again, bringing you the latest crypto news of the week, the weekly crypto roundup. And can I just say, congrats to the box that we are the world champions, and what an amazing feeling to be on the winning side of the World Cup final. So, congrats to the box, and yes, it's lucky to be a South African in the past week. So, let's look at the highlights of what's happening, what we'll be discussing today. So we're looking at BlackRock getting some support for their ETF. JP Morgan, we chat quickly insert about the JP Morgan coin. Then there's a Swift platform that's busy being developed by Deutsche Bank and its partners for stablecoins and CBDCs. And then guess what? Binance is getting some tough competition in the Bitcoin futures exchange. So we're going to check who's challenging Binance in being the exchange that is doing the most volume in terms of Bitcoin futures exchange. But before I go on, as always, please remember to subscribe to the newsletter. The link is in the description. Please click on it, add your details, and you will receive a fortnightly newsletter and a weekly crypto update like this one that you are watching. So I'm looking forward to being sending you emails to your inbox. So let's check BlackRock. What are they up to? So currently BlackRock, as we've been mentioning the past few weeks, the spot ETF is on the forefront of everybody's mind in the crypto space, because when a spot ETF is launched, and there's like, I think, 10 to 14 submissions for this crypto ETF from the guys like BlackRock, your big asset manager BlackRock, Fidelity, Van Eck. So there's a big companies that wants this spot ETF going live, because what spot ETF brings, exchange traded fund, what that brings, it gives access to a lot more people in investing in cryptos, because you invest in Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin ETF. When you buy into an ETF fund, exchange trading fund, you buy shares, or not shares, but you don't own crypto, but you own part of the fund, and that's you don't are exposed to being owning cryptos. So all the risk of owning cryptos, that it can be lost or stolen, is not part of your portfolio. You just own part of the ETF fund. So that said, is that there's huge excitement. So what happens is there's a lot of trading companies, the likes of Jane Street, Virtue Financial, Jump Trading, and Hudson River Trading, big companies in the US that's wanting to, that's ready to support guys like BlackRock, Fidelity. They are like market makers. So once that ETF is out, they will punt that fund to their customers and their traders. So this is huge. So, and we can see there's a slight attitude change from these traders, because what happened is, if you remember, ever since the SEC lost their court case against Grayscale, so the court case was all about Grayscale wanted to convert their Bitcoin trust to an ETF. So and the SEC challenged that, and they lost. And now it's like, okay, guys, what's happening? We need SEC. What's happening? We're waiting for you. But so ever since that court case was lost by the SEC, a lot of traders has changed their attitudes, and they are more prone to say, okay, but we're willing to back these ETF funds. So this is huge, and this is very, very nice that the trading companies are coming out in favor of these ETFs. So they are the market makers. I mean, and yeah, I'm not going to speculate what the price is going to do once the spot ETF is implemented. So, but yeah, it's gonna rally. So awesome! I'm glad for this. But again, just read there's an article behind this, so it's in the description. You can just check it out. Then JP Morgan coin, and this one is just I added for fun because it's funny how politicians and these big institutional guys change their tune. I remember I did some videos with Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan. He said flat out, I think it was 2018, 2017, he said Bitcoin is a fraud, it's a scam. He will fire any employee that engage in cryptos. And now, I mean, and this in 2019, they started the JP Morgan coin, it's a settlement coin. And this coin has grown so much that is over $1 billion worth of transactions every day that it trades. So this coin they use for their institutional clients, and so it's a settlement coin. These clients settle wholesale settlements of their accounts on a blockchain-based payment system. So it's just funny how the institutional leaders say one thing and they do another. So just for fun. Also, then, this one was like a bit of a shock for me, but just show how things are moving. So, as you know, Swift is a payment system, it's a platform, it's a messaging layer in the legacy banking infrastructure, and we know is how funds are transferred via Swift. So they are doing the same thing in cryptos now. So Deutsche Bank and Standard Chartered, they are testing a system that will allow blockchain-based transactions, stable coins, and CBDCs to talk to one another. I mean, this is huge. I mean, this is like, wow, these guys don't hold back because it's like the mainstream financial systems linking up with cryptocurrencies, with linking up with digital currencies. And it's all about, so these banks are running a series of test cases, including the transferring and swapping of USDC stablecoins on the Universal Digital Payments Network. Now, what is that? And that is a permissioned blockchain system composed of validator nodes run by a alliance of banks, financial institutions, and consultancies. So just to make sure that you guys don't think this is, again, if you listen to this, it's a blockchain run where the validator nodes, where the transactions are validated, and these nodes are run by banks, financial institutions, and consultancies. So it's still centralized. This is a centralized system. So again, don't be fooled to think this is a nice crypto. They call it blockchain, but actually it's not so much distributed. It's very much distributed databases where they keep control of the transactions. In a pure cryptocurrency setup, no company keeps control of validations. So it's decentralized, there's no intermediaries. So just make sure that this is centrally controlled, where in cryptos it's decentrally controlled. Nobody owns it, nobody controls it. It's just computers connecting with one another and validating transactions. But still, you can see the merge between the traditional financial systems and cryptos coming together. So it's nice to see this development, this innovation going on. And I'll keep you guys updated on this one. Then interesting news, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is now the second largest Bitcoin futures exchange after Binance. So Binance at the moment, they do 3.83 billion worth of future exchange transactions. Just behind them is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So the open interest in CME's cash settled futures contracts surpassed 100,000 Bitcoin for the first time, and the exchange share in BTC futures market rose to a lifetime high of 25%. So you'll see with the ascent of this regulated mainstream financial exchange, because the CME has been there for a number of decades of years, so you can see, and they trade on this mainstream financial exchange, they trade Bitcoin futures. So normally you'll expect that a crypto exchange will have the large part of futures exchange transactions, but now a normal exchange that also sells forex and all those type of things, they're also challenging the crypto exchange, which means, and as some of the commentators say in this article, again, just click on the link in the description. It's a sign that this rally crypto market is run, it's institutionally led. So yeah, we are seeing very, very interesting developments, even from normal exchanges. That's a mainstream financial exchange that's also adding crypto to their portfolio. And that's very, very interesting. So well done to that. Yeah, I think miners need to pull up their socks if they want to keep in front and be the main player in the game. So that's for the topics. And what's our crypto money making strategy tip for today? I want to introduce you to Revix. So Revix and EasyCrypto. EasyCrypto is a subsidiary of Easy Equities on the same website. And they both sell this concept, what I would like to call index fund type of trading. So with index funds, there's a fund and which consists of a number of assets. In these cases, they have funds like Revix have like a blue chip fund, which consists of a number of crypto assets. So when you invest in this fund, they will distribute your money across these assets in the fund. So just to hedge yourself against volatility, and it's a good way to invest in crypto in a safe way, but also reduce your fees. So both of these companies are legal crypto asset providers. So they are regulated because cryptos are regulated, are busy to being regulated. They are financial products. So these exchanges are also busy in the process of being regulated. That they've applied for licenses. So I think at the end of November, in the next few months, the license should be approved, and then they can start providing crypto services to the public and their clients. So check them out. Also, I will put the link to their websites in the description, and you can just go and check them out and read up on it. So that's that in terms of what we are, the topics and the strategy. If you're a bit clueless of what I've just said, if somebody sent you this video and you're like, cool, I like what I hear, but it's totally way above my head, then I suggest you become a member and let's help you start and make money with cryptos. Let's help you start with cryptos, and once you've started, you've got your cryptos, then we help you grow it. And linked to that, we also show you how to manage the risk associated with cryptos. So with this membership, I would like to continuously grow our crypto community by providing timeless and relevant crypto education to our members. A while ago, I've also launched my crypto courses, my online courses for financial planners and for business owners and salary earners. But this latest edition of my membership offering is the one that I'm mostly proud of, that I'm mostly excited about, because what I found is it's good to do an online course, but that's once off. In order to stay relevant with cryptos, you need to be educated more frequently, because information changes so fast. Just doing a once-off course will give you the basics, but it will not keep you relevant. It will not keep you updated with the movements of cryptos, the happenings, like I've done today. I've given you four main topics that tells you what's happening in the crypto space. And if you follow me long enough, you'll see there's a trend going on, like the court cases, like the spot ETF. You'll see a trend starting to emerge from my videos. So that's what I want to do with the membership as well. On a weekly basis, I want to give you that value. I want to bring you educational stuff. I want to put you in front of influencers that's influencing the space, that's growing in the space, authority figures in cryptos. I'm excited to bring you a lot of value with this membership. And I already have a few people, Frank, Reg, and Leshmu, that's excited about what they are seeing with the membership and the value that they get. They get updated with crypto, they get educated on a frequent basis, and that information they get on a weekly basis, that compounds in becoming a crypto, becoming educated and literate in crypto, because that's what I want to do. That's my aim. I want to educate people. I want to give you the literacy, crypto literacy, so that you can become fearless in this world and that you in this crypto world. So what you will get also from this is I will give you the recordings of the weekly sessions. You'll have access to me via WhatsApp. Any questions? Also, there will be live webinars with influencers. I'm going to give you huge discounts on in-person events that I soon want to start doing, and then you'll have access to Q&A sessions. You can ask questions live during these sessions. So hit this link. Go to wiekesengelbrecht.com. It's very easy. Just click sign up. You can read through the first page and then activate your membership. And once you activate it, you'll be taken to the weekly to pages where there's weekly training and live webinars. And I'm going to add soon. I'm going to add some more freebies for my members in there. So that's from me. I hope you enjoyed this session. I enjoyed it. It was quite lucky chatting to you guys about something that I'm passionate about, educating people about crypto. So hit the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, colleagues, and family. Give me comments. I would like your feedback. Give me some feedback. And I hope you guys have a blessed day, blessed weekend, and we'll chat soon. Cheers.